Alright, let's go right into our iron condor that we had open for this month. And this was a profitable trade as we had the bear call spread at $100 on the SPY and the short at $98 and all the way down to 75 and 73. It expired basically right in the middle here, and we got just about 10%, 9.89% for this month's iron condor position on the SPY. So this iron condor was profitable and successful. And as you can see, all positions are expiring worthless. Now this next is a options plus play from last month on the USO, on the United States Oil Fund ETF. As you recall, last month I sold my long puts at $36 for a gain of just over 300%. However, I was assigned the USO stock, so I had to wait till this month where I could be able to sell that out to realize the gain. So here, this is what happened earlier in the month. Or late in December, it was a big down move in oil, and then it rebounded, and I sold it out right here. If I waited, 2 days later, I could have made more, but because I sold it a little bit early, that 300% plus profit that I originally would have got, I actually only got 107% return from this USO trade position that we had out from the last month. Okay, so so that trade took a little over a month to manifest, and let's take a look at our next trade. And this is a trade on RIM that that I sent out a trade for actually right here. Okay, no, not right there. It was right here. It was on Monday. Okay, it was Monday, and it was breaking the $29.50 level, which was an area that I saw would be a good place to get short. Okay, and I bought it for $1.08 on that put. The next day, it basically hung right around in there, and then on the next day after that, on Wednesday, it did break, and I was able to sell it out at $1.32 for a gain of 22% on this QQQQ short or put position here. This trade, we had it open for 2 days, and on the third day we sold it out. And this was our other options plus play. And let's take a look at the next trade, which is on RIM. Entered into this on Thursday, right here, as I was noticing strength on it, and it was already up about 2% for that day. It was in the morning, and I sent out the play to go long, or basically to buy a call, and I was able to do that. Let's take a look at my order screen that I have up here. Okay, so I got in at about, on most of them I got in at $1.04 on that for 75% of my option calls I got, and was able to set out the very next day on the gap up. I sold some of them at $2.20. I was hoping to sell all of them, but the next fill I got was at $2. So as you can see, this trade only lasted 1 day, and so as you can see right here, I was able to realize a nice gain of 92 9.4% on this trade, which lasted about 24 hours. So we had a nice move up, and so this was our options plus play. So we got 3 of those in for this month, averaging about just over 70% return on the options plus plays. We still have another options plus play open. Let's take a look at it. And this is for the UUP, which is the US Dollar Index Fund. We've been into this for several months now, since October. We have open for the $25 puts. It's been in and out for a while, and right now we are at a slight loss of about 25% on this particular position. But we're going to hang in there for a little bit. There's strong resistance up here at $25.75. It might want to shoot the gap here to fill 26, but I'm not sure. I'm going to keep a look on this. So that's still open. By next month we'll have it close out, and stay tuned for next month to see what happens to this one. So that's it, folks. We had a great month. The Iron Condor was a fabulous month for gain of almost 10%. Options plus plays are also very good. They're part of the Iron Condor subscription service. So in addition to great conservative returns of 5 to 10% a month on Iron Condors, you also get calls on options. I also do those for a little bit more return, so they're part of the service. Check out pandastockpicks.com and go to the Iron Condor section. So hope to see you guys next month on my videos. Email me for anything. I'm available to talk and chat. So have a great remainder of this January, and we'll be looking for trades coming up very soon for the February options cycle. This is Panda signing off.